Is this a video for Sneaky stomach growling for the tummy growls? Boris, did you imagine me? I'm a ink machine. No. Oh. Ah! Sorry for my tummy growls, Boris. I need to take my now a Jeffy. Why is the cardboard cutout Bendy's moving me? Oh, no. Ah, the cardboard Bendy. Boom. The headed man. Oh. Here, I can. Video. Oh, my tummy's rumbling. Oh. They think by tummy growls or something. Anyways, I'm Bendy. And oh, my tummy growls. Here's them. I need to cut them. Oh, so for the tummy growls thing. Okay. Ah! Okay, I just wanted to do Bendy. I was imagining. Yeah, I'm Bendy. And I presented in television. Also, I imagined.